Today I'm going to be showing you guys how we install paint protection film with very little to no stretch at all. We have this Tesla Model S Plaid in the shop and we're going to be installing full body Lumar Valor paint protection film. Now some of you guys might be wondering why you don't want to stretch this film at all, when most installers will usually just stretch the film to all four corners and then just squeegee away. Now if you install any type of film, whether it's paint protection film or vinyl wraps, you know that overstretching the film is not always the best idea. If you overstretch the film, there's a couple different things that might happen. The first thing is material failure or material pullback. And number two is distorting the film. And when you're stretching the film, you're going to thin it out, meaning the film isn't as thick, meaning there's not as much protection. If you're an experienced installer, you should be doing very little to no stretch at all. The only place we had to really stretch on this Model S hood was the two front edges. And even then, we still had a little bit of fingers, but with our finger management, we were easily able to get them down. Again, if you install paint protection film, you know that black cars are some of the most difficult cars to install, just due to the fact that if you stretch it on a body line, you will get some silvering or some working marks. But if you don't stretch the film and it doesn't get caught on a body line, there's very little to no potential of getting silvering at all. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, hit that like button and drop a comment below with any questions you might have.